So there are two reasons why I love using this Conair Turbo Steamer 2-in-1. Well, one of the reasons, it replaces my original steamer. This is the one I used before. It takes a lot of work. You put the water in here, you wait for it to boil and steam, and it's plugged in with this. It doesn't have that much volume to steam with, and it's a pain in the butt. And this, my old iron, well, it was great for most of my life, and now it's been replaced by this. So my second reason is the iron features. This Conair 2-for-1 can do both. Now you will need to use distilled water. The chamber is pretty big, comparable to something like this, right? The chamber of liquid, a lot bigger, and also bigger than this. And the functionality of this Conair 2-in-1 just does both efficiently and better than the standalone products of the steamer and the iron. I like the fact that with this Conair steamer, you have all these modes: ironing, steaming, and you can click the turbo to make it higher, stronger, and it steams pretty quickly. And I do like that you have a base, so it just stands up when you need it to steam. Maybe hold your clothes in front and you steam it. Or if you want to use an iron, you can do that too. It irons the same way, and it works really well. And this Conair 2-in-1 does come with a couple attachments that I use every now and then. So for the iron, you might want to use this, for example, or you might want to clean and brush. So these attachments do make this just a better product in terms of having everything you need in a 2-for-1, and the ease of use is really good. It's very sturdy. It's kind of heavy actually, and but it's a pretty strong product because it just works really well and it's very efficient.